Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Nextool Pocket Tool E1. So this is definitely a pocket tool at 79 by 25 by 19 millimeters. So that's pretty small. And the weight is 95 grams plus or minus 5 grams. So that's like 100 grams at most. So let's take a look at it. So we have a user manual. Listing 11 tools. We have a desiccant pack here. And this would be a pack of spare blades. So we have the tool here. Looks really nice. It's got this nifty little design, and the scales are aluminum. It's got a pocket clip, torque screws to hold the scales in place, and then we have the tools here. So let's take a look at them. So first we have the knife. It's a nice sheep's foot, not very sharp, and it's one hand opening. So it's got this stud here, and then it allows you to open it one-handed. So it's not locking, it's a small tool after all, and I think it's too packed to have any sort of locking mechanism. We have another one-hand opening tool here. Let's try that. It's a little bit difficult, but here it is. So it is a can opener. Yeah. And I suppose this is also a bottle opener. And it can also be a package opener. And then we have this tool here. They call it the scraper. So that's it for the one-hand opening tools. And then, how do you get to this? Okay, so we have a hobby knife here. It's an X-Acto blade. And the good thing about this thing is definitely this is very sharp. I'm not going to try holding that. And it's easily replaceable. So let's pull this down. And then that allows you to replace the blade. So quite easy. And then lock it in place. And then push the collar up. So that's it. Pretty handy and definitely useful for hobbies and crafting. For some reason it's not closing. This thing is a little bit finicky, so let me just try to figure this thing out. Okay, I think it wasn't closed completely before. So that does it. And then we have here how do you open this thing? This doesn't seem to be a tool. And then we have here a bit driver, and it's actually a flat bit. So almost like a Leatherman bit. Let's see if the Leatherman bit fits here. So this is a Leatherman bit. Let's just see if it fits. And it actually does. That's interesting. So that's good. Basically, this will allow you to use all of the Leatherman bits available. And I suppose this should fit. The Nextool bit should also fit in the Leatherman tools. So let's just see. So here's my scout tool. Let's just see. And it does fit, but it doesn't lock. So I guess it will just be kept in by tension, not much else. So that's because there's no notch here. Unlike the Leatherman bit, which has a notch over here. But I suppose it's still good. So yeah, it has a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver and a bit driver. So on the other side we saw the knife already. We have this file, so cross cut and single cut, and we also have a little bit of a saw edge here. So that's the file, and I guess a flathead. And then we have here a pair of scissors. They're quite large. That's good. Pretty sharp also. And finally we have I think that's it. So yeah, that's basically it for the Nextool E1. So it's a small and pocketable tool with a small but useful set of tools. So again, we have a bottle opener, can opener, and a scraper that can also be used as a package opener. And then we have a knife and a file. We also have a pair of scissors. On the other side, we have a hobby knife and a bit driver. So definitely useful and something that you can consider putting in your pocket. Thank you for watching.